In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Salesforce administrator, exploring various pathways to achieve this goal and discussing the job opportunities available for Salesforce admins. To set out on this career journey, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Trailhead and sign up. Trailhead is Salesforce's free online learning platform, and signing up is your gateway to a wealth of resources designed to educate and upskill you. It's user-friendly and offers a community aspect you'll find invaluable as you progress. Once you've signed up, the next step is to dive into learning Salesforce fundamentals through these Trailhead modules. You'll find that the platform breaks down complex topics into easy-to-digest lessons. Immerse yourself in these fundamentals as they lay the groundwork necessary for your future role as an administrator. Remember, repetition and practice are key as you explore each module. After you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to aim for certification as a Salesforce administrator. This credential not only validates your skills, but also makes you a more competitive candidate. The exam covers core concepts, so a strong grasp of the fundamentals coupled with practice exams available through Trailhead is crucial. Parallel to your studies, I highly recommend joining the Trailblazer community. By participating in groups and attending events, you're not just expanding your knowledge but also building a network. These connections can provide support, offer insights, and could potentially open doors to job opportunities in the future. In addition to networking within the Salesforce community, broaden your reach by connecting on LinkedIn. Engage with Salesforce professionals there, as LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and career development. By reaching out to others in the field, you can gain industry insights and perhaps guidance on your career path. When optimizing your profile on LinkedIn or your resume, be sure to include Salesforce-specific keywords. Doing so not only enhances your visibility to potential employers, but also demonstrates your familiarity with the domain. Tailored profiles can capture recruiter attention, increasing your chances of success when applying for jobs. Speaking of applications, you'll want to focus on roles like entry-level admin, analyst, or support positions. These are excellent starting points that offer hands-on experience, allowing you to apply the knowledge you've gained and further hone your administrative skills. Finally, never stop learning. The tech industry evolves rapidly, and Salesforce is no exception. Continue earning more certifications and engaging in continuous learning. Each certification opens up new possibilities and can lead to advanced roles and responsibilities. To sum up, becoming a Salesforce administrator involves a series of strategic steps. By making use of Trailhead, securing certification, engaging with the community, networking effectively, and continually advancing your skills, you place yourself on a path to success in this dynamic field. So, get started today and keep pushing forward.